morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, it's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet, and today it's gonna be an epic one, I'm telling you. You know, many of you have been asking for this video for a long time now, and yes, it's finally here, it's arrived. And today, what we're gonna be cooking, hold on, let me get to this first before we get to that. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like my videos. Yeah, so tell a friend as well and a family, you know, because that's how we have to do it. We have to spread the love. Yeah man, so back to this now. So here we have our oxtail. Over here I got about 4 pounds of oxtail, you know, washed already with lime and some vinegar with some salt. Yeah, I've soaked it for about an hour in those and leave it so it's properly clean. Yeah, so I'll be seasoning my oxtail, let you see what's going on. Okay? Well, let me come back and show you how I do that. So yeah, so this one is gonna be, this is June is a special day for me, you know. It's so many things happening in June. You know, it's my wife's birthday, it's my daughter's birthday, and it's my anniversary as well. And here we are in the kitchen again. It's another big day. Daughter and wife birthday in one. So I'll be doing multiple cooking, but I'll only show you my oxtail at the moment because it's a bit too much for me in the kitchen. Yes. Here we are again, families and friends. You know, when you're in the kitchen, you have to have a little glass sipping. But guess what? There's no alcohol in there. It's only like non-alcoholic wine. Come over here and have a look. Yeah man, see there? Non-alcoholic wine. You have to have it in the kitchen, you know, so yeah man, come back over here so now, let me see what's going on. So here we have our oxtail, as I've seen in the video before. So how am I going to be seasoning my oxtail? First of all, I'm going to go in with my ground season, which is my onion. And here we'll be having some scallions. And over here we have chopped garlic. Over here we got some chopped ginger. Here we have some Scotch Bonnet Pepper. We've got some thyme, fresh thyme. Just pull off the leaves off the thyme like that. I'm going with some Pimento Berries. Yeah, so that's all of our ground provision, as you can see. Just give it a little flick around. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be using a measuring spoon today. We're gonna go, you know, I cook every day, so I know what I'm doing. So I'm here, I've got some all-purpose seasoning. Over here we got some Cajun Seasoning. Here we have some powdered allspice. We're gonna go in with some of those. I'm going in with some mixed herbs. And don't forget my favorite, Maggi. I love you, Maggi seasoning. Okay, right, some Old Bay seasoning. I'm going in with some black pepper, some Chilli Flakes. I'll be going in with some Cayenne Pepper. Here we have some paprika. Right, so we're going to be using some soya sauce. I'll be going in with some, you know, Worcestershire sauce. Give you a nice flavor. And here we have some ginger sauce. We're going to have some brownings now just to give our oxtail a bit of color. Make a massage it, the oxtail, before we massage it. Let me have a little drink first. Non-alcoholic wine. Put that over there, so. So here we have it. All our seasons. Yeah, what we're doing, going with your hand. Just rub that in. all that flavor and all those pieces of the meat, you know. What a nice brown color, really. You know, you can keep a little bit more brown on that. Lovely, lovely. So all my seasonings is in there. What I'll be doing, I'll be leaving this to marinate for around 2 hours. You know, and always best to leave your meat, you know, come to room temperature before you start it to season it or cook it. So if you got your meat in the fridge, season from overnight, best take it out an hour before and then leave it to come to room temperature, you know, for the meat to rest. Yeah, that was a nice flavor. And what I'll be using over here, some people normally use the butter bean in the tin. I've got the fresh one. I've soaked it in water for around 2 hours with a bit of salt, and I've drained the water off now. So yeah, I'll be using fresh butter bean. This one is gonna be so nice. I can't wait to taste it. You know, and tell you what, my daughter, Shorty, she requests this one. Yeah, what can I do? It's her birthday. So here we are again, people. It's the crowd. Yeah man, so you can come and see how you actually look. Everybody, let's come and have a look. Close up. You see that? That's what you want. Marinate for at least 2 hours, you know. It's all good to go. I put just probably about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in there. Let's bring it up to hot. Just some of these burners are slow. Yeah, so let's bring the outer. Put it on my high flame. Put it on my high flame to get in there. What I'll be doing now, I'll be going in with my oxtail. So once I put in my oxtail, I ain't gonna put no water on it. I'm just gonna make it produce its own juice. Yeah, so in goes with your oxtail. So let's mix, let's stir that up. I get some salt to put in my spinners. I'm just using just a half a teaspoon of salt in my spinners. Right, let's get some water. Right, so let me come back and show you when I'll be making up my spinners. Alright, so here we are again, friends and family. So what I'll be doing, I'll be making my spinners for my oxtail. I'd love to have a bit of spinners in there. So I'll just add some plain flour, you know, not much. It was a cup of plain flour. Half a teaspoon of salt, yeah? And I'll be adding just a little bit of water to it. I'll be doing it with my hand. So I love to do it like this, my dumpling, before I actually put my hands in there. Make sure your hands are clean. See that now? Everything come together, then you can put your hand in there. That side, hands are clean. Right, so what you do is use your finger just to get that together. Look at that. That's how you make your dough or your spinners. Yeah, this is it. This is our oxtail. Right, so you don't want to need it too much. Look at that. See, that's consistency you want. See, that's your dough. So I'll just cover this up with some cling film and let me show you what's going on in the oxtail pot already. So this is it. See that? It's producing its one juice. Yeah, so let's give it a little stir. So don't forget, the oxtail is gonna take at least an hour and a half to cook. Depends on how tough it is. Right? So that's it for now. I'll come back and I'll let that cook for around 20 to 30 minutes. Depends on how soft it is. Then I put in my beans. Alright. Here we are again with our oxtail. It's like 45 minutes in. And as you can see, if you take a look closely what's happening, you see that how that looks? Really nice and coming together. Proper color, the right color you want for your oxtail. So I've put in my beans, as you can see, they're in. And now I'm gonna go in with my my mixed seasoning that I've cut up. I've cut up some bell peppers, some onions, extra onions, and some carrots, you know. And that's it basically. Let's give it a little stir. Put your flame, make sure your flame is on low. You don't want it to overcook your oxtail as well. It must be really soft coming off the bone, but not too soft that it's actually, when you plate it up, it's mushy. Yeah. So just see all those seasoning in there. So what that's gonna do now, just cook down. It's gonna give you a nice flavor. My gravy is coming on really good. And now, after I do this, leave it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna put in my spinach. Here I am again. It's time for me to put in my spinach, and this is the size you want your spinach to be. You know, not too big. Just small bits. Just roll them in your palm of your hand like that, and flatten them out. Flat out the two ends. Let's put them in there. I say I'm gonna give this around the next 20 minutes and then it'll be finished. You see, nice and easy. Just drop them in there. You don't want too much in there, you know. Just do them like that. And then the reason why I put the spinach in at this time, you know, it's flour and it doesn't take that long to cook, you know. I'm telling you. So you can hear my little nephew in the background screaming away. Yeah, that's what he does every time he's here. It all happened to, you know, all happened. He always here when I'm doing my flipping. So sometimes you watch my video, you can hear like a baby screaming. Oh. That's it. Nehemiah. Yeah, man, so that's it, my spinach going in. So yeah, that's it. I'll do that. Let it cook for another 20 minutes. When I'm 15 minutes in, I'll come back and show you in the pot what it looks like. Yes, people, friends, family, here we are again. Our oxtail is ready, and this is what it looks like on the plate. You can see how delicious that looks. You know, you can serve oxtail with some rice and peas, anything of your choice. You can have oxtail with, you know. So, as I said, this is how I do my oxtail. You can do it anyhow you want to do it. But for those who don't know how to do it, you can follow this step by step, and you can't go wrong. I'm telling you, it is delicious. And here we have extra plate, rice and peas, with some salad and oxtail. Yeah, man, it's cook and inspire, and that's the way I do it in the kitchen. When I'm in the kitchen, I have to just cook, non-stop cooking. Absolutely delicious, everything. My family love it, friends love it. I'm telling you, man. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video, and leave a comment to let me know what you want me to cook, and I'll go straight ahead and do that for you. Yeah, so until next time, cook and inspire in and out the kitchen. Yeah, man, the boat land, as we normally say. The boat land, the boat there. I wait there, hold on there. You have to taste the food in the brother because you have to taste what I want. So this is it. Our oxtail, listen now. Look at it. This is my little Bombay let me take out. We call it the Jamaica. Because I'm in Jamaica, you know, we call it Bombay. Taste it. Mate, I'm telling you, mate. Yeah.